can go for a tour of the Ben & Jerry's ice cream factory. Woohoo! It's like 20 miles away. Stowe, Vermont. We're here! Ben & Jerry's factory tour. There it is. Ben & Jerry's. Gonna get some ice cream. Charlie, what are you gonna do? I don't know if you can come for a tour. I don't know if they let dogs in the factory. You guys will eat all the ice cream. Yeah, I know, scrumptious. I know, Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Here we go, we're going to Ben & Jerry's. All right, going for a tour of Ben & Jerry's.
Okay, guys, we'll get in your seats there. Seat, buddy? All right, me and Ricky will do it now.
All right, we're going to Ben & Jerry's Flavor Graveyard now. See who died. Greetings from Ben & Jerry's in Vermont. So we're standing in line to get ice cream, and it's 30 minutes. Alright, we got sweet cream and cookies. a waffle cone. And it's starting to rain. So, gotta go roll the windows up for Charlie Dog.
Everybody, that was the cowbell for the 1245 tour. If you're on the 1245 tour, please move on down. Come on down, everybody. Herd on over. All right. So, my name is Izzy. I'll be your tour guide today. Today we're going on a 3-part tour. First, we're heading up 25 steps to our Cow Over the Moon Theater to watch a short movie on the background of our company. Then we're going to our mezzanine overlooking our ice cream production floor. And last but certainly not least, we're going to the Flavo room to get some samples. Are we excited? Yeah! All right. So a couple things I'll mention before we head upstairs. First, to my left, this is our tank room. Inside of this room, we have 6 5,500-gallon tanks of our base mix for our ice cream. When every tank in that room is full, that room holds around 260 million calories. So it's a very important part of our process. The reason we're talking about it now is because we can't see it upstairs, so take a look before we head up. Also, we are going up 25 steps. If that's not preferable for anybody in my group and you would rather use our vanillavator, once I sign you in, you can head towards that rainbow sign in the back, take a right and go up to the 2nd floor and I'll meet you upstairs. But before any of us head out, come up to me, let me know the first name of your reservation. I'll sign you in and then we can all hoof it to where we need to go. Is that first name? Abram. All set. Thank you.
Andy.
You're all set. You're all set.
25 steps.
Everybody up.
You're good.
I know there's much taking the elevator back also on the bus last watch my mama out.
Just came from the secret room where we weren't allowed to video.
Kitchen. So, this is where they created and perfected flavors that we might know of, like Chunky Monkey, Chubby Hubby, New York Super Fudge Chunk. They also perfected flavors from the original gas station in here, like Cherry Garcia and Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough. I'm sure we know some of those flavors. But that's not the coolest part about this room anymore. The coolest part is that we're about to have our flavor of the day. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, I think we lost a little enthusiasm upstairs in listening mode. I'm just gonna double check. You're getting a very special 2023 flavor, and it's a Scoop Shop exclusive. So you can't find this in stores and pints. You can only find it in your local Ben and Jerry's Scoop Shop. Are you ready for your flavor of the day?
Yes.
All right. Can I have a drum roll, please? Keep it going. Keep it going. A little bit more, folks. Build it up. Today you will have butterscotch. Ooh, yum. Let's say butterscotch ice cream with butterscotch swirls and, my favorite part, fudge-covered salty pretzel pieces. Who thinks they might want to try this flavor? Anybody? Okay, good. If anybody doesn't want this one, we do have an alternative, not as good, but better for you. Broccoli cheddar chunk. Why are we laughing, guys? We're serious. It is healthy. It's almost lunchtime. It's 1:12. It's basically lunch. Broccoli ice cream with kidney bean chunks and a Cabot cheddar cheese swirl. Who thinks they'd try this? Anyone? Good, because we don't have it. We ran out on April 1st, 2017. That was the day that we served it. It was a real flavor, and we gave it to guests. They didn't like it. Surprise, surprise. Come back next year on April 1st if you want something just as weird. We might have it for you. We are going to add butterscotch. There's a full list of ingredients up here. If anyone has any concerns, please read this and talk to me or our wonderful super scoopers back here. Can we give them a round of applause, please? I have one last request. Once I set these samples down, please grab the sample closest to you physically. All right, come on down and grab your sample. Once you grab your sample, swirl on out of the way so that everybody can have one. All right, once you grab your sample, make sure to swirl on out of the way so everybody can have one. Any questions? Questions about the fact?
Alright, that's it for our tour of Ben and Jerry's. That was fun. Got a tour of Ben and Jerry's factory.